Hi, today we are going to see about how you can calculate the inverse value for the mod. Okay, you just take this example 17 mod 26. You are going to find out the value, inverse value of the 17. Okay, see this 17 mod 26 can be written as 17 inverse of 76. Okay, it can be again written as 17 into x value. Okay, some value. Okay, 17 into x equal to 1 mod 26. Here we are going to find out the value of x. Then the value of x can be in between 0 to n minus 1. Here the n value is 26. Okay, n value is what? 26. I mean n minus 1, that means 26 minus 1 up to 25. The x value is in between 0 to 25. Okay, now how you can calculate the mod values? First 17 into 1, you have to find out 17 into 1. You are substituting the value of x equal to 1 first. Okay, up to x equal to 25, you have to substitute up to x equal to 25, 17 into 25. Okay, now how you can calculate this mod values? See, take always 17 into 1 equal to 17 mod 26. Okay, then 17 into 2 equal to question mark mod 26. What will be the value comes in the question mark position? You have to find out the x value. You have to find out the value which comes in the question mark place. Okay, see 17 into 2 equal to what? 34. 34 divided by 26. You have to divide this value. You have to divide this mod value. 34 divided by 26, the remainder is 8. Okay, you have to substitute that remainder value in the question mark place. Okay, then what you get? 17 into 2 equal to 8 mod 26. Like that 17 into 3 equal to what? 51. 51 divided by 26, what will be the remainder? 25. You have to substitute that remainder value in the question mark place. Okay, then you get 17 into 3 equal to 25 mod 26. Like that up to 25, up to 17 into 25. You have to find out up to 17 into 25. Okay, you just find where you are going to get that 1 mod 26. See, 17 into x equal to 1 mod 26. You have to find out where we can get 1 mod 26. Okay, at what value of x we are going to get 1 mod 26. We have to find out that. See, at 17 into 23, the value is 391. Okay, 391 divided by 26, we get remainder 1. So that means what? We are getting 1 mod 26 when x equal to 23. Okay, now the inverse value of x 17 is 23. Now the inverse mod value of 17 is what? 23. Okay, I hope you all understand how you can find out the mod value, inverse mod value, right?